Yeah, g'day YouTube, how you going? Back down the block again. It's a fairly overcast day. One thing I've been meaning to do for a while is to do some work on my weather station down here. I've just replaced the wind vane and the rain sensor as well as the anemometer there. The airspeed sensor anemometer, it's this one here. The bearing had seized in it, so it wasn't recording any wind speed at all. The rain gauge had filled up with cobwebs and had some moss and crap growing in it, so I've replaced that. And the wind direction thing there was full of cobwebs and bits and pieces, and it looked like a bird or something had landed on it and snapped off the pointer, so it was not doing the thing it should have been doing. I gave the box here a quick clean out. It was completely full of cobwebs. There's still quite a few cobwebs in there, but there's some spiders living in there, so sort of leave them alone. Had to reset the controller, and also I've noticed that the barometer, about 6 months ago, the barometer stopped working. Took it apart. The older version, you could actually desolder a little daughter board and replace it. I've got some spares, but this one's a newer version and it's actually a surface mount device, and it's not reading anything at all. So there's not much I can do with that, so I'll just have to save up and buy another one later on. And the Victron Bluetooth dongle up there, it's working perfectly, the charge is working well. I logged in earlier and did a download of the past 30 days of power consumption and solar charge. So that's working quite well, and that's about it really, just a bit of routine maintenance. Last year I replaced the box and put a new battery in it, put the Victron controller in it, and that's all going quite well. And that's about it really. So I'll just need to, like I said, get a new controller so I can get that barometer function working. Just thought I'd do a bit of an update and show the work that I've done. It's been a while since I put a video up, so good excuse. Right, YouTube, hope everyone's well, and I'll catch you next time.